Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sanjay. It's okay. I will today discuss about topic is the mostly important topic. I will like the topic and you will like also. It's okay. Today what is a today topic? Dopamine reset series 2. Today topic is focus reset. So that is a today topic. The rebuilding your focus. Yeah, that is a today's topic. The focus, the mainly today world too, your focus is not appeared. Only your focus is distraction for every side. Yeah, you cannot do focus to do 10 minutes. We will go to focus to 10 minutes, but that is here wrong. That time too, notification will come, mom's call, that way too, you will distract and after you will come to what you do. Yeah, that always say. So your mind will be damaged. The focus is more important. It's okay. Why loss? I will say why loss for your focus. The morely loss for too much of using mobile and scrolling shorts for simultaneously. Not only that, without sleeping and sleeping time too, you will using mobile. That is very struggled, and you will go to use multitask. Yeah, simultaneously using more task, writing, song listening. You will eat something. That is great. That is nothing. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All done. I will what way to done come and I will say for your focus attention. The first I will say for you your what way to loss and attention. The mainly the focus attention is important. The multitasking time to you will simultaneous time to doing for more task. So that time to your focus will be distracted for that time. So one time to you will do only one task and I will already set for every video without mobile to do task and only not will be I will say that the sleeping hour is important. The sleeping time to you using mobile is very bad. The brain will be that time to function. So the sleeping routine is very important. So 8-hour routine you will sit the time to you will go to sleep and wake up. And your brain is here one of the muscles. Your what way to train that the muscle you will go to build your body regularly. You will go to do the exercise. Cannot without skip. So that is your focus of your brain. So you will good way to train your brain. So every day your life future will be upcoming. Always I will say it's okay. I will how to recover that. I will say for only 3 steps. The first step, reduce your distraction. Anything must mobile, digital, anything you will reduce that. What way to reduce? I will say simple tricks easily reduce. 1 week, 1 day without phone. We will without phone to doing any works. Easily for your mind adapting for that. The first day definitely difficult and day by day your focus will be more improved and you will go to do for 25 minutes deep focus to doing work and after 5 minutes you will go to break. That break you will cannot scroll your mobile. Without mobile too you will go to walk. You will own way to singing any song to relax that and meditation that way. It's okay. I will say for a focus routines. You will build for focus routine daily. The first focus routine is the wake up time to 1 hour after and become you will without using phone, and you will able to uh, installed for meditation, breathing, meditation 10 minutes, breathing exercise 30 minutes. That way too you will say one direction to your focus, and one time only one task will be do. The morning time you will set any task, 3 tasks. The task will be whole day you will do any 3 tasks. Yeah, that way too you will go to use that, your life will be improved, and how protective will be to go to your focus. You know that is my distraction. The distraction will be attacking for you. That attack to you will go to for fault for any time. So you will battle that. The battle time you definitely one time win. So you will go to protective way to do anything. You will understand that one day too my attention will be go what side. The attention is a focus. That unwanted focus you will avoid that. Mainly you will avoid your mobile. You will come to for your focus stage, and one day 2 3 tasks, mainly 3 tasks you will go to do that. It's okay. If you end the time too you will watch this video if you like this video, and if you like this video subscribe this channel. Bye bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't